All right. Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching my video. My name is Monday Chooks. Today, I'm going to take you on a wonderful review of a particular company known as Cryptomines. Okay, so our review today is Cryptomines.biz review, legit or scam. Cryptomine.biz, legit or scam. Cryptomine review, legit or scam. Come with me as I take you further on step by step how to identify a scam company, a legit company or a fraudulent company, or let's say a fake company that is not there to do business but to defraud others. All right. I've been doing other reviews and found out that most of these companies are usually out there to defraud people. But today, I'm going to go extensively on how you can review a particular company to know whether it is out for business or not. All right, now this particular site or company we're talking about, what you need to do first and foremost is to go through this link, cryptomines.biz/ref, that's REF equal to Mr. Boy 82. So when you go through that link, it will bring you to this particular page that we are right now. Now we're going to go through the various offer and what they have for us now. If you look at it from their investment, Cryptomine Investment solution, it said they offer 0.5% daily for 500 business days with minimum investment of $10. Then they also have 3% daily for 90 days, 90 business days with minimum investment of $25. Then we have 6% daily for 35 business days. Minimum investment is $1,000, and so on and so forth. They have up to 300% return on investment after 7 days, but minimum investment is $30,000. So if you look at this now, the shortest of all, we have this for 3 business days, 200% return on investment after 3 business days. Minimum investment is $50,000. Then we have 150% after 1 business day. That's after 1 day, 24 hours. Minimum investment is $100,000. If you can afford it, I advise you go for that. Okay, the faster the duration of return, the better as it is. But as it is now, if you cannot afford it, remember, anything investment, you only invest what you can afford to lose. I always say, take note of this. That is one thing you must take note of. Very, very important. If you can't afford it, don't go there. All right? Because this is purely high yield investment. Now, how do we identify whether this company is real or not? First and foremost, let's go now. I'm going to show you 15 different ways to check if a website is legit or trying to scam you. Are you getting it? 15 ways you can identify whether the website is legit or is trying to scam you. All right. So first and foremost, you have to watch the step-by-step video below. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the link below to subscribe. Click on the like button and also share this video for others to learn, so that they too will not fall victim of all these scams and people trying to defraud others. Is that clear? Now, with that said, let's continue. If you want to chat me, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is there on +2340744163154. That's my WhatsApp number. Then Telegram at Mr. Boy 82, or you can add me on Telegram with +2348149071230. Then on Twitter, you can contact me at BoyMondayBoy. Then we can discuss and talk more about business. All right. Now, with that said, let's continue. You can join our WhatsApp group through the link below. Okay, click on the link below to join our WhatsApp group, our discussion forum, where we can discuss more about investments and other things you need to know. Now, we'll continue here. The first thing you have to look out for is number 1. Carefully look at the address bar and look for a lock. So here now we're going to check out for this particular company, this website we're talking about now, for all these things to know whether it is for real or not. First, look at the address bar here. Okay, look at the address bar. So if you now log in and you check the address bar, see whether there is a lock or not. If we go to home now, we click on home to see if there will be something of such or not, because most scam sites don't have security. That is, they are always in a hurry to put up the site. They are not ready to do necessary thing or not. So from here we can see the padlock is there, is verified by Certigo Limited. Okay, look at the security sign. No tracker known to Firefox were detected on the site, which means number one, the all is safe. Is that clear? It's safe to enter. That's number one signal. Then number two, check the contact page. Now let's check the contact page of this particular site if it has contact details. Now when we check the contact detail, can we contact the admin, or if we have any issue there, can we do a contact? I think they have a contact. You can see it. Twitter. They are using a Telegram. Sorry, they have Telegram. They are using for contact. Okay, they are using Telegram for contact, which you can see here. I think I've been able to open it before. This is the link. I've been trying to message them here. I couldn't send a message. I don't know about you, whether you'll be able to send a message. Okay, just click and send a message and see if it will go. If it is not going, that means you will not be able to contact the admin if there is any issue. So if you are not able to contact admin, that means you have to be very careful as you are working and doing anything to avoid error, because if you make mistake, to contact admin will be an issue. In my own case now, I'm finding it difficult to contact admin. There is no way. They're only using Telegram as a means of contact. No chats, no other means. Okay, maybe you go through the email, and maybe there will be email. So we'll still continue to look out for some points to note here. Okay, so we're still on the contacts, how we can contact the admin to know and to inform them if we have any issue. Now number three, review the company's social media presence. Is there any other social media presence here? No, this one doesn't have any social media presence. There is nothing like Facebook, nothing like Twitter and thereabout. They don't have anything of such. Maybe you can go through it and check if there is any of such. Means you can contact them, their social presence. Is there anything like social presence here? There is no such. Okay, that's a red flag. We can also point out. All right, the red flag here is that there is no social presence. Do you have any means you can contact? Okay, about us, home, contact us. Click on contact us. Now when you click on contact us, where will it lead us to? We'll see what is going to show us on the contact us page. So on the contact us page, you should be able to get the contact detail of the company. All right, so we move on. Then we'll continue again to the next point we have to look at is double check for the domain name, look up for the domain age. Now we'll look up for the domain age. To do that, we'll go to, we have different means we can use to identify the domain age of this particular company. All right, so there are various ways we can look out for the domain age. So when I go to this whois.com, found out that this company was registered 2 months ago. That is in the month of April, on the 23rd of April, and to expire 2026. That's a little bit okay. That's 4 years time, which means they're out for business. All right, so their domain will expire in 4 years time, which means they have reasonable domain. That's okay. It's acceptable a little bit. That's for number one. Then number two we're going to look at again is the SSL certificate. Do they have SSL security? Now from this site, digisat.com, we found out that when I ran a search on this to know their certificate, found out that DNS resolution is okay. It brought a powerful result. Everything was okay. Only the certificate is not issued by Digisat. Yeah, actually it's not issued by Digisat. It's from a different company. Okay, that's the only issue. Then TLS certificate has not been revoked. That's a positive sign. It's okay. Then TLS certificate expiration is active. It has not expired. It has about 330 days from today. Okay, it's okay. That's all right. Certificate name match. The name on their certificate is found on the side. The name on the side is exactly the name on the certificate. That's okay. That shows it's a true company, a legit company. Then we saw subjects validation for secure server is also okay. Another subject validation for trust and authority, certification authority is also all right. That's a positive sign too. TLS certification is correctly installed. Then we also see the Heartbleed vulnerability. Server is not vulnerable. Protocol support is active. It's okay. TLS Clipper supported by the server and the rest. That is what we can find in this case. No known vulnerability or Debian key were found, which means the site is safe for this. Okay, then we'll move on to the next place. We can check for issue with the site. If there is a problem, it is trying to defraud us or scam us in one way or the other. Now we'll check for all void, whether the all is void or not. So running a search on allvoid.com/scan/the website name, we'll find out that that brought the result within 4 seconds, and detection count was 0/44. There was no detection here. Then the IP address is entered, everything is normal. Okay, we can see the DDoS guard is entered, it is protected. All right, so the result so far shows everything here is all right from the scan. There is no virus or anything threat found on the site. Okay, we move on. Then the next is IP address blacklist, to check whether the IP address is blacklisted or not. Now it's 0/106 search, so which means it is okay, not blacklisted, it is normal and working powerfully. Then we also check for free DNS record. To check for free DNS record, we also go through allvoid.com, and the DNS lookup was okay. So the answer brought is that the DNS, everything is fine, is entered, there is no issue here. Then we also went further to check the what? Okay, we also want to check whether the site is hacked or it is actively working. So from here, I do a search on this particular. I found out that the checking for the cloaking, there was no cloaking, everything is okay. The startup code is okay. The spamming link, everything is okay. Nothing, no spamming link. Iframe, blacklist check, there was no blacklisted issue. So the site has not been blacklisted and all that. Then was I further to do a virus scan on this particular site to know whether it contains virus or not before we proceed to the site. Now, having checked for the virus scan, we found out that the site has no virus, everything is clean, and there's no malware, no adware, no spam, nothing. So it is entered from the virus scan. All other so many scans we did, everything is okay. So that means the site is safe for now to do business. All right, so you are free to do your investment without, but nobody can tell. All these things we are trying to check and to search is good. Yes, it's good, but only invest what you can afford to lose, because you never can tell what will happen. One thing or the other may go wrong. Then I still go further to search for the what? To check for whether it has been submitted for fraudulent whatever or anything like that. So there was no record like that. And also I still went ahead to check for the federal government search if there have been reported for one scam issue or the other. Okay, based on the Federal Trade Commission consumer advice. So we also found out that the system has no result, nothing was found or such. So the system is okay for now, there is no issue. Then I still went further again to check for the domain tools and also to know the age and other related issues about the domain. Then we found out that it is registered 48 days ago. That is just 48 days old, as you can see from here, and the details are found. All right, that is the search and result I've been able to carry out on this particular site. Okay, so as it is, you can also do, I believe I've done a great job by doing a research on this particular company. So you are free to go ahead to invest, but it's not an advice. Consult your accountant to know whether it is what you can do or not. But with that said, we see they have some powerful program here. So I also checked on monitors and some other. I found out that they are still active and paying. For now, it is okay to invest. So go ahead and choose any option you like, and I believe you will smile. Like in most cases, if you can afford a one-day option, I advise you go for it. The faster it is, the better the option. All right, so but if you cannot, I believe you go for 3% return on investment for 90 days or thereabout, or if you can afford that of the shorter period of time is the best. 12% for 18 business days is also okay. All right, so you can choose any one you prefer. All right, if you have any question, please, I believe whatever your take is, comment below, share and ask the question what it is, what you feel about this site. If it is okay and all that, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Click on the link to subscribe and then hit the like button and share it. If you have any question or any site you want me to review, I would like you to comment it below again. The site you want me to review for you, then I will take a search on it. I will publish the video, you watch and see it, whether it is good for you to invest on